Hi everyone, welcome back. I have a plate mould, small plate mould, and some sequins. Now I've put sequins in resin before. I made a garden gnome and I thought it looked quite cool. You can also see, don't know if that's picking up, all the tiny holes from the insides are in there as well. So that looks quite cool. I'm going to basically dump these in a cup of resin and pour the resin in here, and then it will set, and then I will have a glittery sequiny dish. I think it will look quite nice just for, I don't know, trinkets, keys, sunglasses, that sort of thing, when you walk in. So I'm going to pop a mask on and then we will get started. So I have mixed up some resin already, but I'm going to decant some into this. That's what I was sewing inside then, into this cup, mix the sequins in, put that in there, and then I can top up with resin if I need to. Whoa. Glittery mass. Ah, looks cool already. Okay. So, fingers crossed, this goes okay. They're just going to naturally slide down. So, yeah, I'm going to do some poking. I want loads around the edges. See, the resin's taken on a green. That's probably where the colour's coming off some of the sequins. So I'm going to try and be quite quick, just because I don't want to agitate them and then just end up with a weird browny black stodge mess. Wow, it doesn't need that much more resin at all. Be careful. No, that was not careful. That's careful. Cover up any gaps. There we go. Cool. I'll see you in a day or two when it's set. I'm very, very excited. It's really sparkly, as you can see. It's definitely set now. I've probably left it for 2 days. And the colours have definitely bled out. As you can see, it's sort of this dark browny, goldy, greeny colour, which I don't really mind that much. And you can see on a lot of the, don't know if that's picking up on camera, the colours come off of the sequins, but totally don't mind that. That's completely cool. I was expecting that to happen, and we saw that happening as we poured it in anyway. Do you remember? It was green Wow. You can see through here all the tiny little dots from the middle of the sequins has fallen to what is now the top of the plate. Let's demould. Have a proper look. Need something to prise it out with. Try and just get some air down there with a cocktail stick. There we go. Well, it was tough to get off. Right, are we ready? Wow. It's a complete disco plate. Love it. That's so cool. All the light reflects, all the different colours. That looks so cool. Let me know what you think in the comments, drop me a like if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see future videos. And I'll try and take some pictures to show off the different colours and the reflections and pop those at the ends. Thanks for watching, have a great day!